Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, during severe winter storm, as you can see right now here in GTA, a very important safety tip is for homeowners that you also must follow. So this is like inlet and outlet for my furnace PVC pipes. So make sure they are never blocked, because in case they are blocked, it may accumulate carbon monoxide inside your home. That could be very dangerous for you and your family members. You won't even realize it. And not only that, all the exits like this you see for washer, this is like dryer exit, a dryer air exit, this and this has to be cleaned, and it should be free of snow. You see that I just cleaned here, so that I know that more snow is going to be accumulated, but I have given it enough window till tomorrow, so that even if snow gets accumulated again, I'll clean those like more here, so that it does not get blocked. This is very important. So make sure you take this safety step very importantly. Thanks for watching this video, guys.